Kesorkar jelah po kejingilam Konrad Kongkal Sangma haga arpuar terik unopra kelalet Guwahati menekran bak kesorkar Asam hapo kejingilam Himanta Biswa Sarma haga bede beruput usam. Badkani kejingilang kelashim megarai bahaka katsan terik kula lengkot arajar arpuar onshim megarai kebakat do akabede bekejing penbej yauput usam. Habayekran bekinong pathai kubor sembut Menteri Rang Ba Gajela ba Preston Tunsong ulong ba kajingalang kelalong ko basay so abha bad bro arngot ki Menteri Rang Ba kelasya mekarai bah shwa ka katsan trip kulalengkot kinse kendo biang man penbejo pur usam hapadeng kini ki arteli gejela. Ulong baki Regional Committee jangka Asam bat Meghalaya kiriman IT no aki kai pot jongki haswa kalai pui trek uno opera syaki Menteri Rang Ba jongki. Bat hadian kania sesyong jingelang biang bat shwa kakatsan trek kulalengkot berarngut ki Menteri Rang Ba kan sesyem yakarai kebakat do. Uba Preston Tunsong ulai kublai ke Sarkar Asam kam tam yo Himanta Biswa Sarma kibla syem kialang yekane kakam. Namarla bon snam am syem lala ban penbet yo pot usam hendrai hakane kekenti ke bamenta. Ki Sarkar jongki arteli gejela kibla syem kia ban penbet no yo pot usam ubala sa teng mata lajan san po snam.
Had a meeting today in the state guest house once again, and that also after the inspection was done throughout those designated places where the differences as far as boundary issues concerned has arisen. So today we had a very productive, very good meeting. Both the chief ministers, they already taken a decision, and the decision is on or before 15th of January, we are going to sit down again, maybe another 2 times. Then on or before 15th of January, we are going to resolve the issues. And the target is on or before 31st of this December, both the regional committees from Assam as well as from Meghalaya, they need to submit a report to the respective Honorable Chief Minister, and thereafter, again, as I said you, the in-house meeting will again take place, and once that is done, then on the 15th, we put the target that on or before 15th of January, both the chief ministers will take a final call or a final decision on the outcome of the report, which is to be submitted by the respective regional committees of both the state, Meghalaya and Assam. And this time, I'm so happy to see that the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, along with the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, they are determined to resolve these pending issues which lasted almost than 50 years.